What up, JJ family? Welcome back to a good time with J&J. Guys, listen, thank you so much for all the love and support on that previous vlog where we were asking you guys if you guys wanted to receive some more tips and advice on how to start your YouTube channel. And basically this video is gonna give you a little bit of advice and just some hints on how you can make your YouTube channel just pop out.
So we're so happy to be partnering today with PicsArt, who is sponsoring this video because it came at a perfect time.
Perfect time.
We're gonna be showing you guys how we edit our thumbnails as well as our Instagram photos, okay?
Yes.
And we all know that editing your thumbnails is so important for YouTube. You know, you wanna stand out so that when people see your video, they're like, yes, this looks dope.
Boom. Let's
go on that one.
Exactly.
So thank you so much to PicsArt for sponsoring this video.
So before we get into this video, guys, you already know what you need to do. Alright, go ahead and please drop that like button. Go ahead and subscribe, turn on your notifications, and make sure you share the video with whoever. If you know anybody who needs help on how to start, you know, their YouTube channel, how to edit thumbnails and stuff like that.
Don't throw shade. Don't be like, you know, your thumbnails are whack. Here's
don't
this
do
app.
that. Yeah, don't do that. But if you want to help someone out, you can go ahead and share this video with them, okay guys?
Yeah.
I know you guys might be wondering like, yo, who's PicsArt? Maybe you've never heard of them. Baby, just explain to them just a little bit of who they are.
Okay, so PicsArt is a really dope app that you can use to edit your photographs. You can customize your photographs and it's free to download. So you can download it on Apple devices, Windows and Android, okay? And as soon as you download the app and you go on to use certain tools, there will be tutorials shown on there, so screenshots, just advising you on how to use the tool. So it's super easy to use, plus they give you the help.
Yeah, cause me, when I first downloaded the app, I was like, damn, I want to use this cool edit. And I'm like, wait, how you do this? I didn't know how to do it. But they have like little screenshots that show you how to use that effect.
And the super cool thing is that as soon as you finish editing a photo, you can literally just post it, save it onto like your Instagram straight away. It gives you those options right at the end.
Also, you don't have to download it onto your phone and then have to re-upload it.
Nah.
The moment you're done with the picture, you click done and then boom, send it straight to whatever social media you want, which saves time, you know?
And another cool thing is that, like I said, you can edit the photos as you want, it's free, but they do have a cool package and it's called the Gold package, okay? You can have a 3-day trial on there to see if you like what they offer you. And then if you want to purchase the whole package, you can do so. So with this package, there is ad-free editing. So there's no ads whatsoever on this version, okay? And there is also the premium content that you can use that only comes with this package, okay? And last but not least, they do have benefits for members only. So really cool benefits. And like I say, there's a 3-day trial. If you want to see it, see if you like it, then go ahead and do that before you purchase the package.
Exactly.
Okay? So let's get down to the fun part.
I'm gonna be editing the picture. Wifey's just gonna talk to you guys telling you exactly what we're doing step by step, all right? Boom.
Okay, so first we're gonna log over to the app. You can go onto the plus sign, which means that you're gonna select the photo that you want to edit. So Jeffrey's gonna select.
We already did one. I'm not gonna show you guys yet, but I'm gonna just, you know, use it and redo it again. All right, cool. Here we go. This one right here.
So we want this photo.
Yes.
Okay.
Cuba,
this was
baby.
Cuba time. I'm looking a little bit pale because this was just the beginning days.
No, she's not. She's pretty here, man.
But anyways, what Jeffrey's gonna do first is we want the sizing of the photo to be suitable for YouTube's thumbnail size, okay? Which is super cool with PicsArt. You can choose any layout size that you want. So for either Instagram story, Instagram posts, and like I said, YouTube, okay? Super cool. You don't need to use another app to get the right sizing of what you want. It can do it for you. What Jeffrey's doing now is just basically aligning it correctly and practically like cropping out anything he doesn't want to see in the photograph. Once you're done with that, you're gonna hit apply and go to the next part. The next thing we want to do is we always fix the saturation of the photograph because we want the colors to pop. This is especially good because in Cuba you got the blue skies, nice clear water. The colors are gonna be pretty good, but this photograph shows that it was a really cloudy day that day, so we want to kind of fix it. And once you go onto that, there is other options there that you can use to, you know, edit the coloring side to it. So once you've done that, click next. And then we noticed after we took this picture that there is a woman. You can't see it once it zooms out, but once you zoom in, there is this woman bent over trying to steal my limelight. And I'm like, no, honey, this is me, okay? Okay, so to remove the lady, what we're gonna do is click over to Tools, which is at the beginning, and then you're gonna click on the clone option, okay? When you click on the clone option, you're gonna see at the bottom, there's a bit that you can select which area you want to basically use to then draw over her. So Jeffrey, what you're gonna do, you're gonna either use the beach or the sand that's next to her, and then it will automatically go over to the brush, and then you can just brush over her. And just to make it, you know, look like it's natural and real, kind of like select what is around her. So around her you can see there's a bit of darkness on the sand, there's some rocks, so use that, and then when it goes onto the brush side you can just brush it over her, and it'll basically make her look like she never existed. Bam!
Voila!
And she's gone.
Where is she?
Center attention is on me. I like it should be on this photograph, okay? Okay, so the next thing we want to do is just play around with the brightness. Like I said, it was a cloudy day. So you click over to the tools and then you click on adjust, and you'll be able to just amend the brightness, the contrast. There's other features on there as well. We mainly just want to go by the brightness just to make it a little bit, you know, brighter and
alive. Yeah.
And then once you've done that, just hit apply and you can go on to the next bit that you want to do. So the next thing we usually do on a thumbnail is add a text. So for you to add a text, it's self-explanatory. Just click the option text. You can write whatever you want. In this case, we're going to be writing Cuba because this is for a Cuba vlog, okay? And then you can also change the font and the color that you want for the text. So Jeffrey at the moment is gonna be selecting the font that he wants. He's also gonna be aligning it to wherever he wants to position it. You can put it wherever you want. At the moment, we're gonna put it on the outline just behind me, so it's showing between like the sky and the sea. And yeah, it looks super, super cool, but you can put your text wherever you want. You can style it however you wanna do it.
Yup.
Happy with that?
Click apply.
Okay, the next step we're going to be doing is creating a border. For a lot of the thumbnails, we do use a border just to make it more professional. We think it just looks a lot better like that, and it looks more neat. So we're going to put a border around it. You can select, you know, what size you want on the border, what color you want on the border. You don't have to put a border if you don't want to, but it's good that it has that option there.
So right now, we're basically done with the picture. This is how we like it. You guys already know we don't really go into too much FX on the thumbnails. It's quite simple. And if you want to see the difference between the original picture and the one you done, all you have to do is click on the image, right, and hold it, like right here. You see the difference? Look at the difference. You have to let the woman in the background over here bending over and stuff. You let it go, you're like, ooh, okay, I like it. And if you don't like it, you can always go back and adjust anything else that you like. But at the moment, I'm comfortable with it. I like it. Simple. You guys know we're simple. You're gonna go ahead and click next. And right here, this is when you get to pick the caption for the image. Obviously, we're gonna say Cuba vlog. And then we're gonna put the hashtag, you know what I'm saying? Hashtag JJFam. Let's do it. And that's it, we're done with this. You can also put the location of where you were at the moment. Here in this picture, we were in Cuba, in the resort. What was the name of the place, baby?
Guadalavaca.
Hey, she's getting the Spanish in them, and so Guadalavaca is what it is. And we're gonna go ahead and post. And this is the option when it gives you, if you wanna upload it to your Instagram post, your story, Facebook, or Facebook story, or whatever. If the app that you wanna share it to is not here, all you have to do is just click done, boom, it's uploaded to your profile. At the bottom right corner, that you see that little person icon? Just click on that, your picture will be right here. And then when you click on this little 3 dots right here at the top, go ahead and download.
Or
boom,
save.
Or save. And now once you go to your picture section, it's gonna have the image right here. Boom. And that's it, guys. And it's done. You guys can feel free to upload it to either your Twitter or Snapchat or wherever it is you want to upload it.
They do have pretty cool effects. Like I was playing around before, and you can basically cut out a picture of yourself and put that onto another picture. It has like a whole blending effect thing where, you know, it can make it look like it should be in that photo. They have like so many cool effects that we like to use, so we're so happy that we're able to do this video for you guys.
Yes.
And we really love when you guys make super cool edits for us. Like, we have some Instagram accounts that people have made for us and they make really nice edits.
They're dope.
So we were thinking, if you guys download the app for free and edit some cool photos, it doesn't have to be of us, it can be of anything.
Yep.
Edit some cool photos, but make sure that you upload it to your PicsArt account.
Yeah.
And you have to use the hashtag JJFam.
Like this, we can just go onto the hashtag and see what you guys have created.
And then what we'll do is we'll be shouting you guys and showing your edits on our Wednesday shoutouts video.
So woo! Yes. You do that, you'll definitely be on the videos on Wednesday for the Wednesday shout out. And also it shows your creative side. We would like to see how many of you guys are creative when it comes to editing your own pictures.
Yeah, and you never know, like, we do our own thumbnails or we do our own edits for other stuff. So if we like your work, we could easily just contact you and be like, hey, do you kind of want to work with us, or do you want to do this? So you never know. So please download the app, make sure you do your own edits, but make sure you use hashtag JJFam, otherwise we won't be able to see it.
Exactly.
Okay, but we love you, JJFam. We're so thankful that we could do this video to help you guys. If you have any other advice you need, any other tips, please comment down below. We would love to do these kind of videos for you, just showing you exactly what we do to help you start your own journey.
Well, but with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. You guys are amazing. JJ fam, you guys are the dopest family out here. I've seen so many comments of how we are so real, and we are real because of you guys. You guys make us who we are. So thank you so much for all the love and support you guys show. And until the next video, a good time with J&J. We out of here, yo.